नमस्कार दोस्तों, द ड्रीम इंस्टीट्यूट एजुकेशनल पिलर ऑफ इंडिया में आपका स्वागत है। हम लोग आईसीएसई बोर्ड का क्लास 10 का क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहे थे, साइंस का चैप्टर फर्स्ट बायोलॉजी में सेल। ये इस सीरीज का दूसरा वीडियो है। पहले वीडियो में कुछ क्वेश्चन हम लोग ने किया था, इस वीडियो में कुछ क्वेश्चन बाकी का क्वेश्चन हम लोग करने का कोशिश करेंगे। तो पहला जो है वो मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप क्वेश्चन है, हम लोग उसको शुरू करते हैं। The number of chromosome in a certain type of cell division is halved. This kind of cell division occur in both ovary and testes. Question number 2. In which one of the following option the two stage of mitosis have been given in correct sequence? The anaphase and the telophase. Answer is anaphase and telophase. Synthesis phase in the cell cycle is called so for the synthesis of more of DNA. Answer is DNA. Very short answer type question. Imagine one cell A has undergoes one mitotic division and the another cell B has the completed its meiotic division. How many cell would the two produce? The cell 1 produce 2 and the cell B produce 4. Match the event given in column A with the phase in the mitotic cell division in column B. First is chromosome get arranged in a horizontal plane at the equator. Answer is metaphase. Daughter chromosome move to the opposite pole of the spindle. Answer is telophase. Chromosome become visible as the fine long thread. Answer is prophase. Chromosome lost their distinctiveness and gradually become transformed into a chromatin network. Answer is anaphase. Next question is fill in the blanks. Mitosis occurs in our cell somatic. Answer is somatic cell. Mitosis produce two daughter cell, whereas meiosis produce dash daughter cell, four daughter cell. Answer is 4. Meiosis cell occurs only in dash cell. Answer is reproductive cell. Next, human have 46 chromosome. Their sperm and egg will have dash chromosome each. Answer is 23 and 23. Next question. During the pairing of chromosome in meiosis, the dash chromosome come to lie side by side. Answer is homologous. The dash are surrounded by radiating rays called aster is centriole. Short answer type question. State the difference between chromosome and the chromatid. Answer is chromosome is an organized structure of DNA and protein found in cell. It is single piece of coiled DNA containing many genes, regulatory elements and other nucleotide sequence, whereas the chromatid in one of two copy of DNA, making up duplicated chromosome which are joined at the centromere for the process of cell division, mitosis or meiosis. Second question is centrosome and the difference between centrosome and the centromere. The centrosome is an area in the cell where microtubule are produced within an animal cell centrosome. There is a pair of a small organelle called the centrioles. During animal cell division, the centrosome divides and the centrioles replicate, whereas each chromosome in its condensed form consists of two chromatids joined at some point along the length. The point of attachment is called the centromere. Next, difference between aster and spindle fiber. An aster is a cellular structure shaped like a star formed around each centrosome during mitosis in an animal cell, whereas spindle fiber are aggregate of the microtubule that move chromosome during cell division. Next, haploid and diploid. Difference between haploid and diploid. Haploid cell is a cell that contains one complete set of chromosomes. Gamete are haploid cells that are produced by meiosis, whereas the diploid cell is cell that contain two set of chromosome. One set of chromosome is donated from each parent. Next question. First, meiotic division in the reduction division. What does the word reduction refer to in this statement? In this statement, reduction means that the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. That is, out of 20 pair of chromosome in human, only single set of chromosome are passed on the sex cell. Next question. Gamete must be produced by meiosis of sexual reproduction. Why is it so? Gamete must be produced by meiosis of sexual reproduction because the number of chromosomes are reduced to half during meiosis, and then the normal diploid number of chromosomes are regained during the process of fertilization. Next question. Mention whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason is support of your answer. As you grow from childhood to adulthood, your skin cell divide, only one replace such cells that are lost from the surface. This statement is wrong. False. Surface skin cell are continuously lost and replaced by underlying cell. Second question. The unfertilized human egg has half the number of chromosome of the body cell. Answer is true. All type of human cell have 46 chromosome. The only type of cell which does not have 46 chromosome are the sex cell, which have only half of the number. So they have 23 chromosome. The egg cell is a sex cell only found in animal, so it must have 23 chromosome. Next question is nuclear member is mitotically dividing cells remain intact up to the metaphase and disappear only in the telophase. Answer is false. Nuclear member disappear in prophase itself, however it repairs during telophase. Next question D. Mitotic cell division can be mode of reproduction. Answer is true. Mitotic cell division can be mode of the asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms like amoeba or yeast cell which divide into two daughter cell. Next question. Crossing over between chromatids can occur only between homologous chromosome. Answer is true. While the maternal and the paternal chromosome are separating, the chromatid material get exchanged between the two member of homologous pair, resulting in genetic recombination. Next question. Draw a level diagram to show the metaphase stage of the mitosis in an animal cell having 6 chromosomes. This is the diagram. Next question. The diagram below represents a stage during the cell division. Study the same and then answer the question that follow. Name the part of level 1, 2, 3. The answer is centrosome. Identify the above stage and give a reason to support your answer. First question. Name the part level 1, 2 and 3. First is centrosome, second is spindle fiber, third is the chromatids. Second question. Identify the above stage and give a reason to support your answer. The stage answer is the stage described in diagram in the late anaphase of mitosis in an animal cell. The stage can be identified by the presence of the separated chromatids which are found at the two poles of the cell. The appearance of furrow in the cell member classify the stage at the late anaphase. Next question is Mention where in the body this type of cell division occur. Answer is the division is mitotic division, and this kind of cell division occur in all the cell of the body except for the reproductive cell. Next question is name the stage period of this stage and draw a diagram to represent the same. The stage before anaphase is metaphase. This is the diagram. ठीक, इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगला पार्ट इसका जल्द ही अपलोड करूँगा। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इससे आपको ICSE 10th के एग्ज़ाम में आप लोग को मदद मिलेगी। तैयारी आपकी अभी से हो जानी चाहिए, शुरू से ही, ताकि एग्ज़ाम तक बेहतर हो सके। तब तक स्वस्थ रहें, ख्याल रखें। धन्यवाद।